Hello students, welcome to our second second video on area and perimeter. So in this video, I will quickly review some concept from last class and then I will extend it, okay? So please take notes and then you'll be asked to upload it. So first question is find the area and the perimeter of the following problems. So area equals base times height, which would be 8 times 6, and which would be 48 square units. So area is equal to 48 square units. Perimeter for this problem will be the distance around the figure. So this is 8 and this is 6. So that will be 2 times 6 plus 2 times 8. Okay, and if you do this, the answer will be 28 units. A little correction, area should be actually square units. Okay, so the perimeter will be just 28 units. Example number 3, okay, we have 4 numbers given. To find the area, I have to use 1/2 base times height, which will be 1/2 times 10 times 4. Please remember, base and height are perpendicular. Half of 10 is 5, 5 times 2 is 20, so that will be 20 units square. All right, to find the perimeter, all you will do is add the 3 sides. So 10 plus 6 plus 5, which is equal to 21 units. So the perimeter is equal to 21 units. All right, and quickly question number 5. All right, this is called circle. So area of a circle is pi r square. So area would be 3.14 times 8 square, which is 3.14 times 64. And then if you use your calculator, you will get 296 units square. So the area would be about 200 square units, but the circumference for this problem will be 2 pi r, which is 2 times 3.14 times 8. Okay, and if you do it, it's about 50.24 square. Circumference will be just units. Okay, and last example here. Area of a square would be just 6 times 6, which is 36. And perimeter, since all sides are congruent, it's a square, will be 4 times 6, which is 24. All right, so that was a quick review. I went fast, but again, we saw this last time. All right, so right now what I'm trying to do, I am actually trying to explain the third part, and we will work backwards. So in question, part 3, question 10, find the length of a rectangle that has an area of 40 square centimeters and a width of 10. So area is equal to base times height. Area is 40, and the width, please remember, width is same thing as height, because you can also say area equals length times width. It doesn't matter how you call it. Okay? So actually we'll use this formula because they say length and width. So area will be equal to 40. Okay, and we are looking for L, so I'll keep it L, and the width is 10. So this means 40 equals L times 10. The inverse operation of multiplication is division, so divide and divide. All right, and L will be equal to 4 cm. Easy way to check it is to work backwards. 10 times 4 is equal to 40. Number 11, find the base of a triangle if the area is 80 square inches and the height is 16 inches. So area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Okay, so area is equal to 80 and the height is equal to 16. So I will replace everything and I will solve it for B. So 80 equals 1/2 times base times 16. Please remember, this is B, not 6. So 80 equals half of 16 is 8, so it'll be 8B. And now to get B by itself, divide by 8, divide by 8. So the answer is B is equal to 10 inches. If you want to check your work, okay, please multiply half times 10 times 16 and you will get 80. Next question. The circumference of a circle is 28 pi. So circumference is equal to 28 pi. The question is, find the radius. Please remember the formula for circumference is 2 pi r. So C I will replace with 28 pi equals 2 pi r. Okay, you can divide by pi. So you get 28 is equal to 2r. Okay, I don't have enough space here, but you would divide both sides by 2. Okay, so if you divide 28 over 2, r is equal to 14. Next example. A square has a perimeter of 40 meters. Find a side, and then its area. In this case, I would like to draw the picture for you. So square has 4 congruent sides and 4 right angles. So if the perimeter is 40, okay, this means that each side is equal to 10. Why? Because this is x, this is x, this is x, and this is x. So technically 40 equals 4x, which means x has to be 10. So if each side is 10, what is the area? Area is equal to basically 10 times 10, which is equal to 100 square meters. Okay? Oh, I have a little typo, 14 and 14. So this should be 15. Okay, that's interesting. Number 14, a rectangle has a perimeter of 20 centimeters. Okay? So think about this. The perimeter is 20 centimeters. If the width is 4, so this side is 4, and this side is 4, but the total distance around is 20. All right? So if I call this L, if I call this L, so perimeter would be 20 equals 4 plus 4 plus L plus L. If you solve this for L, you get 20 equals 8 plus 2L. Subtract 8 from both sides. 12 is equal to 2L. Divide by 2, which means L is equal to 6. So this has to be 6, and this has to be 6. Now let's check if this makes sense. 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 20. So we found the length correctly. Now, what will be the area? The area of this rectangle would be length times width. Please remember, you can also say base times height. So this will be 6 times 4, which is equal to 24 square centimeters. And finally, last question, question 15. A triangle has an area of 35 square centimeters and a base of 7 centimeters. Find the length of the base. Area equals 1/2 base times height. So 35 is equal to 1/2 times 7 Something is not right with this problem. A triangle has an area of 35 and a base of 7. Find the length of the height. Okay, this question, I'm looking, why is it double 14? So I have a typo here, okay? So that would be, so find the height, not the base, because the base is given. Okay, so you can use decimals here. Half of 7 is 3.5. So you get 35, bring it down, by the way. Half of 7 is 3.5, h. To get h by itself, divide by 3.5, divide by 3.5, okay? And 35 divided by 3.5 will give you 10. So the answer is h equals 10 centimeters. Okay, again, thank you for watching this video, and we will continue in class.